Hey, it's Josiah Gaming, and today I'll be making a villager grinder on PCP Wars on Skyblock. So let's go do it. So let's make it out of, let's see, what do I want to make it out of? I guess I could make it out of, I'll make it out of stone right now, and then I'll make it look different. So then I'm gonna make it some light glass. I need to buy some hoppers. So I bought a stack. So I'm gonna make it all the way over here. It's not gonna be that big, because it's only one villager. I'm just trying to get to the border so then I can make it off the border. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, let's do a flat 20. Actually, I'll go a little more higher. So we'll make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we're gonna go back. So this actually is. Go to my island and then we're gonna build from here. And then I'm gonna build the stained glass right here. So then we're gonna build it out. Okay, if it's a little dark, sorry, because the server I don't have night vision. I'll pause it when I finish it. I'm gonna pause it until I finish building the platform out. Okay, so I finished building out all this, so now I just have to place on the hoppers. So yeah. So gotta place on the hoppers and then place on the spawner, and then hopefully it works. Hopefully it's high enough, because I don't really know. I'm just gonna bucket a block there because I need a trap chest soon. No, don't be lazy like that. Watch TV. What?
I said okay.